Good morning, mighty owls. This is Miss Weiner. Today is Thursday, October 29th, 2020. It's a D day. Please rise and help me recite the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing and help me recite the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one, indivisible. Now it's time for the Owl Pledge. Say it with me. I will succeed in school with wisdom and with knowledge. I'll give 100%. I will go to college. I'll do whatever it takes, just like my parents do. I'll sweat the small stuff, just like my teachers do. I'll give no excuses each and every day. I'll close the achievement gap, working hard in every way. With my team and family, I give my Owl Pledge. I will succeed in school with wisdom and knowledge. Go Owls! Hoot, hoot! Now for a moment of silence. You may be seated. As you know, IDEA South Flores Academy is the best elementary school in the state of Texas. Good things happen here every day. Here's some things that happened yesterday. Scholars were doing amazing work, being able to read the fast way. They also were able to say the sounds. Nice job, scholars. You're working hard. I also saw some scholars work in math and in reading and writing. Nice job making sure to complete all your work, because every day counts. Make sure that you're attending every day at home so that you can be put into the drawing to see what our next prize is. Super excited. Can't wait. Also, today, remember, is Stamp Out Drugs Day. So make sure and wear your best cowboy outfit today, or cowgirl outfit. Also, tomorrow, I cannot wait to see all of you in your costumes, your character, your favorite book character costumes. Remember, we ask that you not put any face paint on so that you can really pay attention to school. Today is a great day to learn. Have a great day. Hoot, hoot.